Hello, skillful savvy learners. Thanks for joining me again for another interactive training in our digital marketing course. Today, we're getting into the most important tags of Meta. Yes, it's robot tags. You ever wonder how you manage what Google and other search engines do with your website? Well, you're in the right place. First we talk about the peak of robot tags means its definition. What are robot tags, anyway? Let's break it down. A robot tag is an HTML tag used to instruct search engine bots on how to interact with a specific web page. It lets you control whether a page should appear in search results, index/noindex, and whether links on that page should be followed, follow/no-follow. Don't worry, I explain you in really simple way. After this you must understand nicely, okay? Imagine your website as a big house with lots of rooms. You've got some rooms where you want visitors to feel free to look around, and maybe a few you'd rather keep private. Robot tags are like signs on the doors that tell search engine bots, or robots, what rooms they can and cannot enter. But why should you care about these instructions? Because robot tags are what help control the pages which appear within a search result, allowing you to perhaps better protect certain information. Focus attention on your most important content, or even improve your SEO with the management of crawl budget. Plus you should about robot.txt file. So, what's this robots.txt file? The robots.txt file is a text file placed in your website's root directory that works like a gatekeeper. It gives specific crawl directives to search engines before they even start exploring your site, telling them which sections to crawl or skip. Imagine the robots.txt file as your front gate. Before the search engine bots even enter, they check this file to know which paths are open and which are closed. This file is super powerful for managing site visibility on a large scale. And second question is jump in our mind that. Why use robot tags? Robot tag, the power of control. Now, why would you want to use robot tags in the first place? Robot tags can do various things. Block unnecessary pages from showing up in search results. For example, imagine you have a thank you page or even a checkout page. These are important for your users, but don't necessarily need to be showing up in search results. Keep your site organized for search engines. Using robot tags keeps only your best and most relevant pages listed by the search engine. This assists the bots in focusing on what matters, and it also helps the search engines understand your site in the context that you intend for it to be. Secure sensitive content. Some pages might include content that is private or sensitive, which you don't want to be indexed or available for the public. Robot tags may prevent this. Here's 3 important types of robot tags. Okay, so now let's discuss the types of robot tags and what each one does. There are 4 major ones you should know about. Index/noindex. Index means, yes, I want this page to appear in search results. Noindex means, nope, don't show this page in search results. Let's assume you have a login page that has no value in terms of search results. Noindex here keeps it hidden from search engines. Thus, it appears only to pages with valuable content for your audience. Follow/no-follow. Follow. It instructs the search engines, hey, go ahead and crawl links on this page. No-follow. That means, don't come through the links on this page. Use no-follow for pages where those links might not actually support SEO or human experience. This can prevent spammy or low-value pages from distracting bots from the major areas of content. Other special tags. Here are the options for some additional tags you can add to your meta tag. Norchive. This will prevent search engines from making a cached copy of the page. This is useful if you do not want older versions of a page to remain. No snippet. This tag prevents a snippet from appearing with search results. That's super helpful if you don't want a specific page to be fully indexed. The third question is coming in my mind is when and where to use robot tags. So, now that we know what each tag does, let's look at where to actually use them. Here are some examples. Thank you pages/confirmation pages. Use noindex here, as you don't need these showing up in search results. They only serve a particular purpose for the user's journey on your site. Private or limited content. You may have a members-only section. Noindex and nofollow can help keep these pages hidden. Outdated pages perhaps, you have an old product page or event that's not relevant anymore. Noindex can keep these from cluttering up search results and confusing users. Okay, we walk all over the street of robot tags, now we talk about how we apply robot tag. Now, let's discuss how you add these tags. There are two basic ways. Via HTML. You insert robot tags directly on the HTML code of your page. This should be in the header section as a meta tag, a meta name equals robots, content equals noindex, nofollow. Utilizing a robots.txt file. For an even more centralized approach, you would be in control of your website's root directory. That would hold the robots.txt file. You can modify entire portions of your site or specific pages by mentioning their paths from here. Be aware that some search engines do not recognize the directives given in the robots.txt file as binding law, so potentially sensible content will not profit from this. I will giving you suggestions about your website in case of robot tag. Noindex wisely. It only puts noindex on pages that do not have any relevance for either the SEO or the user experience journey. You don't want to hide a gold page accidentally. Be careful when using nofollow. They prevent link juice going to low-value pages. But overuse does weaken the link structure of your site. Check your robots file. If you use robots.txt, then you have to monitor it regularly for any need of upgradation according to the requirements of your site. The changes in content and structure, the file may need an update. With all this taken into account, robot tags become a powerful tool for controlling how search engines view your website. By properly employing them, you will be able to ensure that only the best, most relevant pages of your site come up on a search. All this helps keep your site lean, organized, and focused. Thanks for watching. Remember, when it comes to using robot tags the right way, you're in control. Comment below if you have any other questions. And don't forget to subscribe for Connect, our digital marketing journey. See you all next time on Skillful Savvy.